Just about as bad as I've seen before as well, Raj.
Hang on, guys. We got a big one coming.
Big one coming. Hang on up there.
Hang on.
Hang on!
Big one. Got a big one coming.
Get inside. As fast as you can.
Watch out. Weather's just terrible. There's nothing good about any of this.
Weather's not the best. The smoke's pretty big right now.
We're over here off Chagalack Island in a place called the Pot Cemetery because it is rocky, deep, and full of current. If you do lose the string here, you never get it back. It's gone. See you later. I wouldn't normally sit here, but fishing's so bad, I gotta take this risk. Or else I'll be paying money to have the privilege of not catching crab. It feels great to have that string in the water, but it doesn't feel so great the course we're running. It's too rough. I don't even want them out there going with it.
Let's just get back inside. Just don't waste any time.
It's too sketchy out there. I don't want you out there.
Let's bag it and get back inside, please.
Big one. Got a big one coming.
Get inside. As fast as you can.
Watch out. You guys all right out there?
The weather has sucked. Getting out to the ground sucked. The freezing spray has sucked. We're still really close to the ice, but the strong current is keeping the ice in check.
Hang on, guys. We got a big one coming.
Big one coming. Hang on up there.
Watch the rail, guys.
Back, yeah. Step back, step back.
OJ, the next one's got teeth.
Hang on.
Backside of the raft. One of the buoys just came flying back on the boat.
Stay clear of the line.
OJ, get rid of the bags. Just chuck them both over the side real quick. Quick as a cat. Good job.
Way to keep your peripheral vision looking.
You responded right away after I see that.
That wave just washed the buoys right back up onto the boat. It's real easy to get tangled up, and there's no stopping going over the side.
Heads up, heads up!
Heads up, guys. Big one coming at you.
I'll be glad to have this set over with. Just about as bad as I've seen before as well, Raj. But when we come back to haul this gear, I'm gonna have to haul literally straight into it, which means it's gonna be a little bit dicier for the guys to get the gear on. We've got bad weather, we've got the ice bearing down on us. January, Capilio fishing. The weather is horrible today. The current is crashing into the wind. The guys are just worn out, man. The cold, the workload, and everything else taking its toll on the crew.
Keith is pushing us. Right now, it's a race against the clock.
I'm cautiously optimistic that we'll see something here. It's a big mountain of crab. Beautiful crab too, man. That's exactly what you like to see.
Looking pretty good so far.
Looks like it's got all of 600 crab in it. I'm not saying we're winning the race against the clock. All I know is that we're putting crab on the boat. We're getting pushed around by the ocean right now.
It's not easy. It's hard. It's not hard.
Getting flat out nasty out there. We can't be dilly-dallying. Let's get these crab on the boat. This string's been really good, close to a 500 average. It's a good thing we're on good numbers because I don't know how many more days of this these guys can handle. Just want to get our crab on here and hit the road. Big one coming. Hang on, hang on, hang on. Hang on to some guys.
Big one, got a big one coming. You guys all right out there?
Yeah, it's going pretty wavy down here.
Cattle guard popped off.
We just took a freaking massive wave and torched the cattle guard. Yeah.
The cattle guard, the metal barriers that funnel Rip's golden king crab from table to tank, was bowed by the pressure of a 25-foot, 100,000-gallon wave.
We should have changed course then. It's my fault. Mother Nature's just punishing us. This is just mega right? The currents are good right now. We're only 6 miles from being behind the island. Now we're hauling.
Yeah, baby.
We're catching crab too, big time.
30 average. Pretty good.
Halfway on the string. Here at the Pod Cemetery, fishing is great.
Yeah, baby.
Oh yeah, we got crab. Oh Lord, that's a big wave. It's a pretty big wave coming. Woo, that was a big wave. There's very few people in the world that would come out and haul gear in weather like this, and this group's a group that will. I would put up with this weather every day if I could haul. Well, I'm not going to go that far. Last spot, here it is. But this is a hell of a way to end the trip. Like a walk-off home run. That was a really good job, guys. Nice work.
Get out of here.
We're headed to Dutch right now. Woo! And that's it. Thank God.
Big one coming. Hang on, hang on, hang on. Hang on to some guys. Everybody okay? We got some ice came flying off the bow. Must have come up off of part of the ice on the bow. Mother Nature is in a bad mood today. If that doesn't make you a little bit edgy, I don't know what does. Okay, guys, that's the last one. Button up the deck as you can. Get back out here as quick as possible. For a trip without an injury, this might be the hardest trip I've ever had. Every day has taken 10 years off my life. It's been that bad. with sleep deprivation and just pure pain. This was a season of survival.